Ministério Saúde ho UNFPA halau discussão intensivo ba estratégia programa planeamento familiar ho saúde reprodutivo. Vice-ministro Saúde e Operacionalização Hospital Flávio Brandão Mendes de Araújo e Salão Maubara Rum Timor Plaza Dili terça-feira informa Ministério Saúde hamoto ko UNFPA realiza seminário interativo no participativo onde discute estratégia para programa planeamento familiar no saúde reprodutivo. Além de desenvolve tecnologia smart específico no estratégia onde aumenta recurso doméstico para planeamento familiar atau for apoio para governo e compromisso no target sira.
Dia kata hoi dene aproximação serne bele etan impacto idon be maki dia paitennya saúde dilu reduz mortalidade ina hadia denia malnutrição itene comunidade apa itela bele itela control itenia itela support dia itenia saúde familiar family planning ada visita bele uang barak si uang barak na kos bele ko impact ka disaw na ba sebenarnya ane ko faktor jeda ke kontribusi itu support pa nunggu malu bisa itu rainara kita mampu pa ada ko aku sih masam sendiri itu hal karena dia baik dari populasi dia mau proses saudi ni agora yang perlu akara ki loro tulo ne ten expert userne lokal ho nasional regional hoitnya pasir lokal sih ada kalau diskusi di dia kalau pasti dia itu lebih maka dia doang tidak boleh time bound kata dia lebih maka relevan tempo itu kondisi mudah par aplika ini tenerai bahaya isu ida saudi reproduktiva ho family planning.
Iha fating hanesan representante UNFPA iha Timor-Leste, Nafcha Suren reforça seminário ne atu hasai recurso doméstico ba implementação programa planeamento familiar.
Today we are starting Smart Advocacy Workshop, which is organized by Ministry of Health and UNFPA. The objective of the workshop is to come up with government partners with actionable advocacy strategy to increase domestic funding, government funding for family planning programs. So here we have participants from Ministries of Health, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, civil society organizations and government institutions, and some associations like the association. So we are here 3 days to discuss how can we come up with a strategy, advocacy strategy that is measurable, that's time bound, so that we can actually implement this strategy to increase domestic financing for family planning. The facilitators are from Timor-Leste and also from UNFPA. So we have our regional advisor for family planning, UNFPA regional advisor for family planning based in Bangkok. He provides support to 36 countries in Asia Pacific region. He is here this week with us throughout this workshop and facilitate the workshop, and then also help us to develop a smart advocacy strategy for the country. And the national consultant, who is also co-facilitator, he is also very good expert who has been involved in health financing in the past with UNICEF, and then also worked in the past for Ministry of Finance. So we have local expert who is experienced and who will be also facilitating the workshop together with our international advisor. So they will be co-facilitating.
Discussão intensiva para modelo aproximação para planeamento familiar né, halau durante Lorontolo, hahuhu si terça-feira, to quinta-feira, fulan outubro semana né. Reportagem email da Fátima, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba Emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu, kita haluha, haneham botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.